I'm joined with Lisa Bloom, who is representing 2 civil Diddy accusers, and you also have a government witness as well.
That is correct. Yes, I do.
So what brought you here today to be present in the courtroom?
Well, I wanted to come for this trial, and I have a couple of reasons, because I represent an important witness. I also wanted to see how the evidence and the witnesses unfold in general, because our case of Don Richard, the civil case, is very similar to the criminal case. So I want to see what their evidence and their witnesses are, and there's probably things here that I'm going to learn that will be helpful in our case.
Thank you so much. And you have been sitting in the courtroom, seeing the jury selection process. How is that going?
So it's so interesting to me. You know what's different about this case from a lot of other high-profile cases is everybody seems to want to be on the jury. And usually people are trying to get out of jury duty. But everybody here is saying, you know, yes, I know a little bit about it, and it's unpleasant to hear these allegations, but I'm sure I can be fair. And, you know, the subtext is that people want to be on the jury. They want to serve.
And the judge has said that, again, we're talking about very sensitive subject matter.
Of course.
Sex trafficking, sexual assault. Yeah. I'm going to be hearing some witness testimony coming up as the trial proceeds. We're in the very beginning stages, day 1, and yes. The judge is saying this is going to be about 8 weeks.
8 weeks is a long time. I think that's kind of the outside number. The judge wants to give like the longest possible number so people know. But I think there's going to be a lot of testimony, and the defense is going to put on a robust case too.
Yes, and I've heard from some experts, legal experts outside of the case, not representing anyone, no accusers, that are saying that it's to be expected that the defense, especially looking at motions, are going to try to say this is all consensual behavior.
Yeah, I think that's going to be a big part of the defense. I'm a little bit constrained as to what I can say because I do represent a government witness, and there are some rules about that. But we will see how the evidence unfolds. Listen, everybody wants a fair trial, right? Both sides. And that's certainly what I want. We want him to have a fair trial. And so far, I'm very impressed with the judge and the judge's rulings, being very careful to avoid even the appearance of impropriety. For example, some of the potential jurors were associated with media outlets where there were documentaries or books. And the judge is like, well, you know, technically that might be okay, but, I just want to have a really fair trial here, and I think that gives me a lot of hope for this case.
Well, thank you for your time, and hopefully we'll be seeing you again soon.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.